इस क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है if the value of this definite integral is equal to a plus b root 2 plus c root 3 and a, b, c are rational numbers given to you, then 2a plus 3b minus 4c is equal to, you have to find the correct choice. इस क्वेश्चन करने के लिए remember an important concept that if an equation of the type say p plus q root 2 is equal to 5 minus 7 root 2, then I can say that p is equal to 5 and q equal to minus 7. But this conclusion I can draw only if it is given that p and q are rational numbers. लेकिन p और q में से एक को भी यदि irrational values allowed कर दी जाए, then infinite number of values of p and q are possible which can satisfy this. That is, unique values of p and q are possible only if both p and q are given to you as rational numbers. Similarly, one more example is, say it is p plus q root 2 plus s root 3 plus t root 6 plus u root 11 is equal to 7 plus 4 root 2 minus 24 root 6 plus 23 root 11. If it is given that p, q, s, t, u all the five are rational numbers, then I can compare coefficients. That is, I can say that p will be equal to 7, q will be equal to 4, s will be 0, t will be minus 24 and u equal to 23. That is, comparing coefficient is allowed if all the five p, q, s, t, u all are rational numbers given to you. लेकिन एक कंडीशन और भी है, जो irrational number हैं, they should be of all different type of irrational numbers. What is the meaning of same type of irrational number and different type of irrational number? The difference is, for example, root 3 and root 7 are different type of irrational numbers, but root 3 and 7 root 3 are same type of irrational numbers. Or root 11 minus 4 and 3 root 11 minus 9, these two are also same type of irrational numbers. इन सारे कॉन्सेप्ट को याद रखो, इनको मैं क्वेश्चन में यूज करूंगा. ये तो क्लियर है. इस डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए पहले मैं रैशनलाइज करूंगा. 0 to 1 अंडर रूट 3 plus 6 minus under root 1 plus x upon 3 plus x minus dx. This is equal to 0 to 1 1 by 2 under root 3 plus x minus under root. This is equal to 1 by 2 3 plus x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus 1 plus x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 and limits 0 to 1. This is equal to 1 by 3 3 plus x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 plus x to the power 3 by 2 0 to 1. This is equal to 1 by 3 1 put करेंगे I'll be getting 8 minus 2 root 2. 0 put करेंगे I'll get 3 root 3 minus 1. That is equal to 3 minus 2 by 3 root 2 minus root 3. And now comparing this with this given result, I can say A is 3, B is minus 2 by 3 and C is minus 1. Note that I am allowed to compare coefficients because it is given that A, B, C are rational numbers. Hence the value of 2A plus 3B minus 4C is 2 into 3 plus 3 into minus 2 by 3 minus 4 into minus 1. That is equal to 6 minus 2 plus 4, that is 8. Hence I can say fourth choice is the correct choice.